Hey all, in this video series what I'm going to cover very quickly is the deployment process by which you deploy a app. In this case it'll be a Rails app, but could be really any application on top of a cluster infrastructure deployed by Kubernetes with outside resources, meaning like your data layer, like Postgres and Redis or Elasticsearch, on dedicated hosts within Hetzner. So you have to deal with the VPN and the organization of that VPN and how you map everything across and all of that. So in this series, we'll be covering kind of standing up a cluster, configuring dedicated servers into that cluster within the Hetzner ecosystem, how to set up the front-end load balancer, things like traffic, and then how to set up your infrastructure. In the case, we'll be looking at leveraging GitLab, but for GitHub, the actions are exceedingly similar. Where when you push to master and master successfully tests and can build, we will push it to Docker Hub, an image to Docker Hub. Docker Hub will fire a webhook, and that will trigger a deployment, which will redeploy the infrastructure. So it's a pretty complicated setup, but at the end of the day, it's compared to a couple of years ago, it's a ton easier to do than it used to be, and not in a small part to this new gem, Hetzner K3S, or not gem, now an application by Vito Bada, who's a great guy, and I really appreciated all his help and support on this. So I'm going to cover that, and I'm going to cover it in different modules, so let's get started.